Gravitation by All Universe OT. Shout out to Shivam Pawar. Let's first know what is the definition of gravitation. So its definition is that gravitation is the mutual attraction between all masses in the universe, also known as gravitational attraction. Gravity is the gravitational attraction at the surface of a planet or other celestial body. In physics, gravity, weight, is a fundamental interaction which causes mutual attraction between all things that have mass. Gravity is, by far, the weakest of the four fundamental interactions, approximately 10 raised to 38 times weaker than the strong interaction and 10 raised to 36 times weaker than the electromagnetic force and 10 raised to 29 times weaker than the weak interaction. As a result, it has no significant influence at the level of subatomic particles. However, gravity is the most significant interaction between objects at the macroscopic scale, and it determines the motion of planets, stars, galaxies, and even light. On Earth, gravity gives weight to physical objects, and the Moon's gravity is responsible for sublunar tides in the oceans. The corresponding antipodal tide is caused by the inertia of the Earth and Moon orbiting one another. Gravity also has many important biological functions, helping to guide the growth of plants through the process of gravitropism and influencing the circulation of fluids in multicellular organisms. Gravity is responsible for many of the large-scale structures in the universe. Gravity has an infinite range, although its effects become weaker as objects get farther away. Gravity is most accurately described by the general theory of relativity, proposed by Albert Einstein in 1915, which describes gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of space-time, caused by the uneven distribution of mass, and causing masses to move along geodesic lines. The most extreme example of this curvature of space-time is a black hole, from which nothing, not even light, can escape once past the black hole's event horizon. However, for most applications, gravity is well approximated by Newton's law of universal gravitation, which describes gravity as a force causing any two bodies to be attracted toward each other, with magnitude proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Current models of particle physics imply that the earliest instance of gravity in the universe, possibly in the form of quantum gravity, supergravity or a gravitational singularity, along with ordinary space and time, developed during the Planck epoch, up to 10 raised to minus 43 seconds after the birth of the universe, possibly from a primeval state, such as a false vacuum, quantum vacuum or virtual particle, in a currently unknown manner. Scientists are currently working to develop a theory of gravity consistent with quantum mechanics, a quantum gravity theory, which would allow gravity to be united in a common mathematical framework, a theory of everything, with the other three fundamental interactions of physics. This was the basics in gravitation. 10 likes on this video and I will make a video on history of gravity. Like the video if you are still watching. We are very close to 300 subscribers, so subscribe now.